Let's run through my extremely long overdue skincare empties, because as you can see, this is stacking up real fast. Well, actually, it's been coming a long time, to be honest. Starting off with cleansers. So first of all is the SwiitchBeauty Swash Gentle Cleanser. Now I really enjoyed using this. It's a basic gentle cleanser that does what it should. The only thing is I am a little bit more on the drier side, so I did experience a little bit of tightness after using this. But if you have a little bit more of an oilier or combination skin type, then I think this would actually be really nice. So there's that. Which works perfect for me on the other hand is the Silki Hydrating Foaming Cleanser. Now this is absolutely wonderful for my skin type. It provides hydration, it doesn't dry my skin out, no tightness afterwards, so this I'll always have in my skincare routine. And then the OG favorite, Micellar water from Garnier. Now everybody knows how amazing this product is, and you use it for literally everything. It always comes in handy, so this will forever be a staple in my like skincare routine slash products that I purchase. My hair is not working with me today, but anyway, onto serums. These are from Silki. This is the Hyaluronic Acid, Vitamin B and Marula Serum. Love it. I haven't really been using a hyaluronic acid in my skincare as like of recently, but this is an amazing product and I would most definitely repurchase this. They have changed their packaging on this, just by the way, so it does look different now. It's the uneven tone, pigmentation and blemish-prone skin. Ooh. Yo, as you can see, it's been lying around for quite some time that the product has like gone rancid, so please excuse that. But yo, these have been lying around for quite some time. Anyway, this has 2% alpha arbutin, 5% vitamin C and 1% hyaluronic acid. Let me just hide that disgusting part. And yo, I love this serum and it really did amazing things for my skin. Everything together that I've been using has really improved my skin altogether, so I can't say this product in specific did it. It's just in conjunction to using the rest of my skincare, these have been amazing. As has the W7 Skin So Bright serum, also with arbutin, hyaluronic acid and collagen. Now this was really collagen whatever. Anyway, I'm so funny. No, I'm not. Anyway, this was really lovely. I enjoyed using this. I still need to dive into the world of W7 makeup, but I've used their lip mask. Let's chat about that as well. It's their strawberry overnight lip mask and I really enjoyed this. I'm so excited to actually try their other flavors as well. So these two products from W7, absolutely nothing bad to say about it. Love them both, and yeah, I can't wait to try more W7 products. And then whilst we're on serums, I use this Erborian, I can never say this, Erborian Korean skin therapy sample. This is the Yuza, I think I'm pronouncing it correctly, super serum. As well as I also use their bamboo one. Oh, let me quickly go fetch that. Okay, this is the bamboo super serum and this is the Yuza super serum. Hair all over me. This smells so delicious, but I did see that it does have fragrance in, so might not be the best for my sensitive skin girlies, but this actually worked really nice for me. I'd love to try the full size like products, or like delve into this brand a bit more, because yeah, I know the Orc store stocks this, so who knows, because I love Korean skincare, if you haven't realized that. Next up is sunscreen. I used to use this like each time I used to repurchase this and absolutely love it. Nothing wrong with it. It's just recently I've tried another sunscreen SPF, the Silki one, which I love, but this if I have to ever repurchase it, I would, but I'm actually trying to experience, and I'll keep saying wanting to say delve into my vocabulary, but anyway, I've been wanting to try other sunscreens and SPF, so nothing to complain about. It's just I want to try, like, test the waters, you know what I'm trying to say? So yeah, love this. Oh, here's another serum. Sorry, this is all over the show, but this was the Ordinary Hyaluronic Acid and Vitamin B5. Also amazing. I love a hyaluronic acid serum. It just gives the skin that initial beautiful plump when applying it, and then it just locks in all that moisture when you go in with like a moisturizer afterwards. So love that. And yes, if I ever like catch this on special or something, then I'll most definitely repurchase this. I don't know why I'm so nervous tonight. It's like I keep running out of breath when I'm speaking. Let's move on to moisturizers. So first of all, it's the CeraVe Facial Moisturizing Lotion with SPF 25. Now this is a lovely summertime moisturizer. I'll definitely use this like in summertime, especially with the humidity here in Durban. I think this will work lovely, but for winter this just didn't give me the like moisture and nourishment that I need during the day, so won't use this during the winter, but definitely for summer in Durban humidity, most definitely. So I actually didn't purchase this. I was gifted this by Jason's mom, as well as this Roche-Posay. Excuse the cars driving past. I can never pronounce or like see what's clapping here because I think it's in French. Yeah, Lipikar AP+M Baume. I don't know, but this is a lovely, lovely, lovely thick and like very occlusive moisturizer. I think it's a moisturizer or like a balm, but yeah, if you are looking to wake up super glowing, like just apply a thick layer of this the evening when you go to bed. Yeah, this is actually the first time I've tried La Roche-Posay and CeraVe, and yeah, it's actually really nice. So excited to like delve into this era. I'm actually kind of regretful that I never purchased on their 50% off sale, but yeah, I heard there was a few problems with that. So yeah, but anyway, let me know what products from these brands you enjoy. And then the all known and famous SPR Protect Barrier Cream. Now guys, I was shocked. I absolutely love this. Like, these two are very similar in my opinion, like thick, very like super moisturizing. Like if you put this on in the evening, like you're gonna wake up and your skin's gonna feel amazing. So yeah, I really love this, and I will definitely get my hands on this again. Another like cream, this is the, I would say, somewhat controversial pseudo cream. A lot of people love it, a lot of people hate it, but me, I absolutely loved it. I need to I keep forgetting to buy more, but yeah, if you're looking like to just also put this as a mask on your face, you're gonna wake up glowing, and it helps fade with pigmentation and like texture because there is zinc in here. But any zinc ointment I think would be amazing for that. But yes, pseudo cream worked wonders for my skin. And then the Medicube Viral PDRN Pink Collagen Gel Mask. I actually have 2 more of these left. Now if you know, I absolutely love Medicube, so I can't wait to try the other masks. And yeah, it's just a phenomenal Korean skincare brand. So you can get your hands on this, do yourself a favor. Last 2 products is this lip therapy from Discam. It's still like, there's still a product in here, but I don't know, I kind of get skeptical if I haven't like touched a lip balm for a while. And yeah, I just don't feel comfortable with this. But yeah, lip therapy, we love her, and yeah, there's that. Last but not least, the Skin Strategy Acne, I can't speak tonight. It's Skin Strategy Acne Patches. Now these are super affordable pimple patches from Discam. You get them like in front of the counter, and yeah, I absolutely love these. I'm still to try a different pimple patch brand. I know the Mighty Patch is very sought after, so yeah, pimple patches, and we'll definitely repurchase these. I think they're like 40 bucks. And yeah, that's my little, very extremely long little, like what do you call it? Anyway, one extremely long skincare empties video. But thank you so much for sticking around, and stay tuned for my makeup empties and my body care empties. And yeah, they are just as big and overwhelming, so stay tuned for that. Thank you for watching. Bye.